Social Impact 2025. Over the last 4 years, Flintshire County Council have been working in partnership with Flintshire Social Enterprise Network to develop the innovative Flintshire Social Impact Toolkit, which allows participating social enterprises to evidence and record the financial value of their social impact. The platform has now been fully audited and demonstrates a social value generation of more than £4 million being recorded by the 16 participating social enterprises. This year's highlights: over £4 million social value generated, 24,000 hours of skills training delivered, including soft skills development and accredited training, 40,000 hours of support provided by Flintshire Social Enterprises being accessed by over 700,000 people, over 9,000 volunteer hours delivered by 500 residents, £300,000 of food subsidies provided by Flintshire Social Enterprises. This toolkit has been designed to capture the value of all of the activities of social enterprises, not just those linked to contracts. The toolkit can identify the value of activities against the 7 goals of the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act 2015.